is me Ayush, and today we are going to be talking about the vertical tab layout in Fountain Edge. So let's get into the video. Now this feature is only available in the development and canary versions of Microsoft Edge. The links of those will be in the description. So once you install the development or canary versions of it, you'll find this icon right next to the new tab. This is your vertical tab layout. Now you can even collapse this tab right here or keep it just like that. The pin icon will pin it for you right there. Here's how it will look if you open multiple tabs. Here's how it will look if you open Google. Now let's say that icon is not visible there. Don't worry, go on to your settings. There, go on to appearance. Now search for the show vertical tabs button. If that's off, turn it on. And now, as you can see, the vertical tabs button has been shown. Now, if you didn't get the setting, don't worry, it's just not enabled for you. Go on to the flags, link in the description. These are experiment features, but we'll leave that alone. Now, search vertical tabs in the search bar. Now the default. Now, if it's enabled for certain devices, it's well and good, but for some devices, default is disabled. So you just click on enabled and restart your browser. Now once you restart, the button will automatically be there, and if it's not there, you can always go to the setting and change it back. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, bye!